Hello, welcome to my dorm. Come on in. Welcome to my dorm. I just moved in on Monday and my mom helped me move in everything else this weekend, so she stayed in the hotel nearby. But I'm gonna show you guys everything and I'm so excited. I'm very proud of my room and my dorm. I feel like it's very me and super aesthetic, but let's get started. This is my freshman year dorm. So I guess we'll just start on this side. I have this little vintage mirror when you walk in. It's super cute. And then my floor lamp. And I also have these hanging picture lights, which actually light up. And then these are all the frames. This one says everything will fall into place. This one's a little swan. And then this pink flower pattern. A lot of the stuff is Amazon, Walmart, and IKEA, I think. Down here, I have my shoes and my drying rack. And then this actually plugs into my air purifier over here. I have my tripod, obviously. This is like kind of my nightstand area, but it's separate from my bed, but I needed another storage shelf. So I put my coffee machine because I'm gonna need this for my early morning classes. And on the shelf, I have my baking frame just to add a little decoration. And then my utensils to store my mixing things for my coffee. And then over here is where I keep my coffee pods and my mushroom powder. These three little drawers, I have a random drawer, which I feel like everyone needs. The second drawer is also kind of a random drawer, but cleaning stuff, I think. And then down here is my laundry and cleaning. And this is my desk area. I don't know if I'm gonna be studying in here, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm just getting ready over here. My candle warmer, my skincare drawer, and I have my makeup in this drawer, my skincare, and then my hair care. I have a lot of hair stuff. This is my desk hutch. I'm very proud of it. I assembled it on the spot. I have my little plants, my palm pals that I have with my hometown friends. This is a conch shell from when I went to the Bahamas. This is my jewelry shelf, so I have this, a plate and a bowl, and then some books and my little radio thing. Over here I have my perfume display, and there's like a mirror at the bottom, and then some random decorations. My vanity mirror, and I have like a little lamp here, and this is also a desk lamp for when I study. Some of you guys are wondering where my chair cover is from. This is Amazon, right? Okay, yeah. This lace curtain, I'm so glad I found this. My little desk drawer for whenever I want to study. I have my Hatch alarm clock that I'm actually just using to hold my curtains in place. And then I just have some random window decor here. This is actually a mug holder. My little frame. This side, this was a hassle to put together, I'm not gonna lie, just because I didn't know where to put everything else. So this is where I make like my food area. Like I'm gonna dry my bowls here whenever I wash them. And this is my food tray for when I eat my yogurt bowls and my water. I have my laundry in here. I need to figure out how I'm going to take all this to the laundry room by myself. But I put all of these gold frames here. These are from Amazon and I just put my own pictures in. My food area, my ice machine, I have my snacks, I guess. A bunch of tuna, energy drinks, rice cakes, noodles, stuff that I can just grab and go. Bottom is my utensils, plates, bowls, stuff like that. This is from Amazon. It's actually a bathroom rack and I put my stuffed animals here, my jelly cat, and then my sister. I got one with my sister, so I put one here. And my Wuzu fan, obviously, because it's hot in here. I have my mugs in this little bin. I'm very proud of this situation. So this is a bathroom rack and I put it above my mini fridge. So I have some food in here. And then my microwave, Amazon. This is from TJ Maxx. A good find, I would say. Now my bedding area, which is my favorite part. First of all, the carpet is from Walmart. I feel like it brightens up the room so much. So I love that. This bed skirt is from Walmart. I'll show you guys what's underneath. But let's start off with the wall decor. So these are the frames that were also from Amazon from over there as well. And then I DIY'd that, if you guys saw. My little pin board, The pin board is from Pottery Barn, the Love Shack Fancy Collection, and I just decorated that, which I also made like a crafty video for it. This is from Amazon. It's a little capiche shell, little wall decor, which I love. I feel like it adds so much like vibe to it. Okay, now my bedding. So this was a hassle to get on. I'll post my packing and moving video later, but I couldn't make my bed for so long, so I was sleeping in my mom's room, and we had like a mattress topper on here, which I haven't slept on it with the mattress topper yet. But this is a Lola blanket, and then my bedding is from the Pottery Barn Love Shack Fancy collab, which is this, and then my floral sheet set was also from that. My headboard is from Amazon. It's a headboard pillow. These two little vintage pillowcases are also from Amazon. Oh, and then over here, because I had to put my nightstand over there, I put this little storage bedside caddy thing, and I just have my journaling stuff and my books in here, and then this to turn off all of my lights. I keep so much stuff in here. Okay, so I actually rose my bed with the bed lofters, which are from Amazon, and I just have some extra food and like utensils here, my water, and then this little storage bins. I have pajamas in this one, even more pajamas. This one's like accessories, and this drawer is my business attire, because you know, a girl's locked in. I'm trying to figure out this one because it's just like my bras and underwear and socks. And then lastly in this one is a bunch of extra building stuff I'm just storing. On this side, I have my shoes on top, like that. And then this drawer actually came with my room already, but I'm storing my jeans in here. So these are all jeans. Behind on that side is my suitcase for whenever I come home on the weekends. Ottoman, store a bunch of random stuff too. A lot of storage areas. But a hack too, I recommend long cables, but then also I have these cable like attachment things, which are from IKEA, or I think it's Amazon or IKEA, but you can literally clip it. That way I don't lose my wires like in the middle of the night. So I hold my cables in place like this, and it doesn't slide down. Lastly, my closet space. So this is not really my vibe. So I put a curtain over it. So this is actually supposed to go where my windows are, but I just put it on my closet. I have these racks are from Amazon. I have one on the front side, and then I'll show you guys the other side. But this is from, I don't know, my shower caddy, because I have to use communal bathrooms. But if you open my closet, this side, okay, here's the other rack, and I'm having my bags, like my heavier bags here. And then I also put command hooks like on my closet to hold my purses, which is really, really nice for extra, you know, hanging space. And then I installed like these lights in my closet that I can just push, and even more command hooks to hang stuff. So I have that and my umbrella. And then this is like my clothing area. So I have a bunch of, or some of my dresses. These are all of my cardigans. And then my little going out tops. Over here is more of like sweaters and sweatpants and comfy clothes. Mini denim skirts down here. My shorts and my leggings. This side is all of my workout clothes. I have my workout like tank tops on these multi-hook things. It's actually a legging holder that I just store my workout clothes in. School bag. And down here, I have even more clothes. So I color organized them in rainbow order. These are all of my short sleeve tops. And then down here is my long sleeve tops. And I tried color organizing it. But then I have like a bunch of random things like wrinkle spray, baby wipes, what is this called? Oh, a lint roller, and then my steamer is down here. I store even more stuff, just extra little cleaning things, my random bags, my medicine kit, and then extra water because the water fountain is so far from where I'm at, and I drink a lot of water and I'm gonna get dehydrated. This is my grocery bag because I have to walk to go get my groceries and I don't have a car. So this is how I'm like moving around, guys. And then my vacuum. That concludes my dorm tour. I'm so happy that I'm living here. I'm still gonna have to adjust. It's like everything that I had in my house, but in one little room. But I'm really glad I got a single. And some of you guys are wondering how I got a single at UPenn. It's very common here, so I got one. I'm very happy I got one. This is my room for the next year, so I have to get used to it, but I love it. And make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.